Boiling water, peas go in, a little bit of spinach for color, don't forget to stir. Just until soft. Right into the blender. Salt, lemon oil, XG. White chocolate. Ice bath. Pea puree.